Hi guys, it's MommaB here, late night edition. Have to be a little quiet because everyone else is asleep. I would like to be, but my sourdough starter, Breadley Cooper, is very hungry. So we're gonna feed him and let him digest through the night. I like to feed my starter at night because then I have all day to work with the risen starter. And if you feed in the morning, your starter's ready to start baking with at night. So not quite what you're looking for. So let's get this done. All right, so what we're gonna need is sourdough starter, a clean mason jar is what I use, and digital scales, organic unbleached flour, and a tablespoon. So we're gonna start by putting our mason jar that is empty on the scale. Then we'll press the tare button so that it weighs 0. There you go. We're going to take 1 tablespoon, about 24 grams of starter. There we go. And I'm going to wipe my finger off. All right, keep your scale going. We're going to get into our flour and we're going to add 100 grams. And you're going to want some filtered water. We're going to add 100 grams of this. And we're going to stir this up really good. Always make sure you scrape the bottom because the flour likes to hide under there nice and dry. Yeah, just found a little pocket. And when I think I'm about done, I like to scrape the edges to get it all off the sides and down there together because we are going to draw a line around where this is sitting in the jar. All right, so our sourdough starter is fed. I take a Sharpie marker, Crayola marker, and draw a line around where it's sitting. And this is so that you can tell when your sourdough is finished eating. You want it to be at least doubled, and you want to look for bubbles on top in a dome shape And that's how you know it's ready to bake with as active starter. So I'm going to put my lid on, and then I always label the top, Breadley Cooper. And I do that so that when I put this jar in the fridge, not right now, but tomorrow after I've cooked with it, I will know that that's my active starter. And then the one that we took the starter out to start with, we're going to put the lid on there. And this is what becomes known as our discard. So on the top, I will just write discard. And that's that. So in the morning, we will have a happy Breadley, and we will do some baking. See you then.